everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ella Rianisha. I am from class D Afternoon Management NVM 2111002. Presentation them 6 tips to decision making process. Decision making process 6 tips involved in it. The overall decision process, also referred to as decision models, contains the following decision-making steps. Decision-making is the process of evaluating two or more alternatives leading to a final causes, sometimes known as alternative causes decisions. It is a formal method for making a cautious, frequently involving both a quantitative and qualitative analysis. Decision-making is causally antecedents what planning for the future and directs towards a specific objective or goals. Number 1. Determine, clarify the decision problem strategies using. The first step in decision-making process, which is very important, is to identify and define the problem or strategies using which require making process. This helps the decision maker to focus on the right question involved in decision. Greater managerial skill and expertise in required in defining a decision problem to subsequently address it correctly. For example, a production manager might roughly consider the cost as markets or buy a part for a product when the correct decision might be to determine whether the product should be reduction to the part is the noted. Number 2. Specify the criteria. After identifying the decision problem, the decision maker should specify the criteria upon what a decision is to be made. Most after two criteria or the objective can be easily quantified as source as minimizing costs, improving fraud charge in receipt return on investment, increasing share of company project in the market. Number 3. Identify alternative as possible solution to the problem. Decision making is switching between the alternatives. If the objective is it increase sales, there can be many alternatives to achieve the goal. If a means breaks down, it could be repaired or replaced. Within the replacement, it might be bought or leased. Determining the possible alternative is an important step in the decision-making process. Number 4. Relevant information analysis. In these 4 steps, a manager collects relevant costs and relevant benefits associated with each feasible alternative. Selecting that leading to decision is one of the management contents more important or less in analysis of relevant costs and relevant benefits. An author pertinent strategic uses, manager also makes prediction about relevant information, correct finding to alternative investments or future values of relevant costs and relevant revenues. Number 5. Select and implement the best alternative. Based on the relevant costs and relevant revenue analysis, the manager investigates, selects the best alternative and executes it. Number 6. Evaluate information. In the sixth and final step, the manager evaluates the information of the implemented decision as a basis for feedback to a possible reconsideration of this decision as it relates to future decision. The decision process is thus a feedback-based system is why the manager continually evaluates the ratio or prior analysis and decision to discover any opportunity for improvement in decision making. Thank you.